वाञ्छा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। जय सनातन भट्ट रघुनाथ श्री गोपाल भट्टदास ये छय गोसाई करी चरण बंदन जावते विघ्ननाश अभीष्ट पूरन। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य दयाल प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। बोलो श्री गुरु जी महाराज की जय, गुरु परंपरा की जय, अनंत अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, सपार्षद गौर हरि की जय, गौर नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय। जय जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा संजीव की जय, भक्त विघ्न विनाश शंकर नृसिंहदेव की जय, भक्तराज प्रहलाद महाराज की जय, सर्व विस्प्रदा गिरिराज गोवर्धन जीव की जय, गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जीव की जय, ब्रजमंडल धाम की जय, ब्रजवासी भक्त वृंद की जय। जय ब्रजेश्वरी मधुश्वरी प्रणेश्वरी श्रीमद्राणी की जय, ब्रजदेवीगण की जय, समवेत गौर भक्त वृंद की जय, और प्रेमानंदे। Now, many days to Vaishnava Scholars Mercy. They are distributing Shastras of lessons and nectars. Lucky persons is collecting and accepting and praying and begging, how following and practicing in life. Now is telling Prabhu Goswami Prabhu, our Guru Varga, taking mantra and diksha. Then necessary Krishna diksha is shikshana. Taking diksha mantra, then need is shiksha, adi shikshana. Continue. How can I am progressing, practicing, learning, following, and everything for need is continue this Shiksha Guru. Shiksha Guru, Krishna himself, also Shastra, also Vaishnava. Now, telling तुलाम लवनमपि न स्वर्गं न पुरो भवन भगवत भक्ति संघर्ष पुनः पुनदासी। साधु संग सर्वशास्त्रिक होय, लव मात्र साधु संग सर्वसिद्धि होय। This is one day taking mantra diksha, but I don't know how chanting, what process, how progressing, how developing. So sadhus near, then sadhu sadvaidya, this looking our disease and removing, helping and giving taste and giving healthy all food and atmosphere, soul food. This is sadhu's nature, but no learning, no practicing, and sadhu's mercy not coming, then trying and jumping like this monkey jump, baboon, like overtaken, fly in the sky, nothing coming. Why? sadhus are continue they practicing, they know which way, which line for sadhakas for right and proper. This way crossing. Shastra writing many things, but sadhus are practicing, practically. The crossing, they know this way. Like one person, now PhD at Delhi, but he is primary school to high school, college, university, all crossing. Then now he is going his PhD Delhi for doctorate now, in research center. Therefore, continue needed is sadhakas Krishna Dikshadi Shikshana. Mahaprabhu therefore telling, Bala Krishna, not enough. Bhaja Krishna, not enough. Kara Krishna Shiksha. Bala Krishna, Bhaja Krishna, Kara Krishna Shiksha. Krishna Shiksha. So this is continue. Like day before yesterday, hearing Sanatana Goswami writing this Brihad Bhagavatam, preserving all time continue. He is telling Naradishi himself, he is chanting Harinam million crore lives, years. Now he is asking, I have no Brahma. Then he is looking, oh, one person worshipping Sadagram, he has how much love. He is gone South India, King near looking how he is serving. He is gone heaven. He is gone Jagannath Puri. Until he is this Yudhishthira Maharaj, Prahlad, Hanuman, Sukadeva Goswami, all crossing, Dwarka, Mathura, Ajodhya. Everywhere he is going on, Bhakta is meeting. After last he is gone, Brajamandal, Brajdev is here. He is meeting with the Uddhava also. Everybody is here, Prahlad Maharaj, all. So the Shastras, everything explaining, but practically, how can practicing and realizing without sadhu sangha not possible? Not possible. But this sadhu sangha for taste and respect, faith and love, how coming? Like Gokumar, sometimes forget mantra. Then his Gurudev appears and tells, hey, why not chanting mantra? Why forget all? Chanting mantra. Then he is deeply chanting. Then is all material taste, attachment, or finish. Now he is crossing. Going one side mantra and aushadhi. Medicine necessary, but same not medicine. And medicine is not enough, need is food stuff also. Time to time, sadhu, vaidya, doctor, he know where I have shortage, what I am doing faults and what I have wrong, what I am doing. Many pratishtha coming, like one day Gurudev is in Govardhan, is given announcement. So nobody going, this person is near. No talking, no meeting, no giving donation, nothing. This person is cheated, very cruel, and hating everybody. Then asking Gurudev, why you like telling? Say yes. I know. Many thousand coming, disturbing, not possible. Bhakti and bhajan. You left me also, and left other also. Your bhakti is left, you only pacify people, and people stealing in you, keeping distance to me, and you, no Harikatha, no class, no Harinam, only bas, recreation. Therefore, necessary protection, operation necessary. Otherwise problem. You popular, famous, everyone like, And then when you chanting Harinam. So sadhu vaidya, sadhu know what is my faults and guilt. Somebody Prabhupada Thakur are asking, oh, I am now in Tamil Nadu, Madras, Chennai. Then I am learning this language only 6 months. And I will be learned and I am preaching everywhere. Prabhupada said, no need, you come back soon. No need preaching, no need learning. Anything you have, this is enough. No need any language. You speaking here, people looking in you, this is enough. I am learning, I am helping, but these things I am learning, then I am not giving Guru Varga. I am not giving Krishna. No. That language has no Krishna, language has no Guru. Language has nothing. I have love within Guru, yeah, Krishna, that love is everything. But how I express, how I am speaking. Prabhupada said, you are practically practicing Krishna arranging everything, Krishna know everything. So this most important thing is Brahmanda Brahmitikono Bhagyavan ji Guru Krishna Prasadi by Bhaktilata Beach. Brahmanda moving Bhapamargo Brahmatum Jada Bhavachavasya. Tori Aksuta Satsangamo Satsangamo Jahita Deva Sadgato Paravarasi Jayata. This Brahmanda moving, going within circles. But after very lucky persons, they getting this Bhaktilata seed of Bhakti. But they are what doing? Malihaya service করে আর উপর শ্রবণ কীর্তন জলে করে সিঞ্চন তবে সিঞ্চন পাইয়া মুসাকা বাড়ি যায় স্তব্ধ হইয়া মুসাকা বাড়িতে না পায় অতএব মুসাকার করে ছেদন তবে মূল লতা বাড়ি যায় গোলক বৃন্দাবন ভক্তিলতা বীজ কৃপার seed is getting and Mali farmers meaning sadhu Guru Varga watering, planting, or helping. But helping this is not enough. After some time, paper is growing. But this side one branches, this side one branches. First, all it were spreading. Then main line will be pop and stop. Then farmer what doing? Cutting. This side, all cutting branches. Main paper then doing up. So this without sadhu sangha, without sadhu, you are wrong. You are going wrong way. No bhakti, now you are following. You are missing all. Many people thinking temple is bigger, opulence is there, not cost for chanting Harinam. All I am going secret ନିର୍ଜନ places. There I am hiding and chanting. They are only just sleeping. Laziness coming. Not will be active. Not will be the power coming. Sadhu Sangha, then Sadhujar, all time cleaning, all unearths, removing, throwing, and giving this all the self power. How understanding? All activity just for the bhakti. Otherwise, there are things for bitterness coming. Oh, this is not good, this is not good, this is not for me, this is not, might be very well. Nice sleep is complete sleep, then I am waking, then I am healthy. Then I am doing good. But then I am waking, then I am hungry. Then I am eating, then next I am sleeping for desire, then sleeping, waking, then what doing? Eat and sleep. 2 or 3rd move. But the sleep, stop sleep, Sadhu said no. Brahma Murta waking, chanting, practicing. Then Sadhu order following, then power coming. Mercy coming. And try only, little bit, then they are coming. Oh, everybody chanting Harinam, I am not chanting. Sadhu Sangha then, Sadhujar, they are praying and crying and begging. Sadhujar giving special help. How help? Praying for Mahaprabhu, Mahaprabhu Pasha Punihar. Otherwise I am alone, then who will think for me? Who coming my near? Huh? Who praying for me, begging for me? So therefore, Shastra saying everywhere, Satsanga Sabudin Nindam, Maharaj Bhakti Maharaj, Krishna's lap you are sitting and playing. Krishna protecting you in mother womb. But after you are emperor, king, controller. But you are neglecting little one sadhu, hating. Nobody protecting him. Krishna also not come for protection. Next, Krishna sending his sadhus. Sukadeva Goswami came and continue is telling first canto to 12th canto only sadhus only. Sadhu mercy, sadhus for respect, sadhus for faith, sadhus for love. Sadhus have pray and faith. Sadhus are everything, removing all and giving everything. Sadhus are not miser, not greedy, not cheater. He is helpful for everyone. And he is serving God which way? This. Only for one way. God will be happy, please. All jivas helping. And jivas are removing anartha and bringing God respect near. And God service for giving this adhika. Then Krishna Seva. Krishna, very happy. This Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Swarup is why he came. Or Jiva, how understanding? My near and dearest, my close to and beloved, my Lord Jivas, how understanding? I am preaching, I am teaching, I am helping. Otherwise, they are not coming, they are near, no to shelter, no respecting, they are never understanding anything. Never learning anything. Who helping them? They are telling Goswami that you glorify. Only glorify. Bhakti, what is bhakti? How getting bhakti? What comes bhakti? And how many types of bhakti? This Vaidhi Bhakti, Vaidhutiya Bhakti, Vaidhutiya Prem, this Shastra Shasan. Every day is fear. Oh, I am not following Bhakti, then I am going hell. No, I will be clean. I am sinful, suffering. Oh, then I am following Bhakti, then I will be happy, please satisfied, and like to like. Then they with fear, and they no desire, but by force is following. Forcefully. Also this fear how come? All explanation in Shastra, sadhus are telling. Sadhus are explaining Shastra. Going everywhere, door to door, telling, look, you are not following, this person is coming. Telling this, see, you have seen, then is coming teaching first. After, boils coming. Body inside boils, painful, fever, and suffering. Okay. Outside painful and fever, then you giving medicine or disease, removing anyhow, doctor. But inside is stomach, there is boils, then called tumor. Brain inside, your deep, sinful activities you are doing, following, then all going inside. And too much suffering, too much pain, burning, only not inside burning, outside burning. Everything sadhus are explaining. Then fear. Oh, I am really doing many things wrong. Sinful person I am. Therefore suffering. Nobody like me, or hate me, or torture me, or insult me. I am poor. I am nothing. Why I am poor? I am stealing all time people think this way I have nothing. I am stealing all our food, thief I am, and then next slide, body skeleton, no food for eating. All worms is coming and body is eating. Why? I am stealing their all food, now they are coming, they are eating my body. Many things explaining Satya, Shastra telling, then here it is following. Then he is like Ajamil, hearing all the Maharaj, soldiers, Dut and Vishnu Dut were discussing. Hearing, then he is left everything. Before he never left. Now he understanding Sadhu Sangha, mercy. Now he 1 minute. Chalo ghar baat, chalo Haridwar. He is gone Haridwar. Dhritarashtra, he is never left in. 100 sons died. All death. Now Yudhishthira, enemy and against, Yudhishthira are coming and eating. And very nicely. And old body is now also what I maintaining. Vidura came. Hey, more than dog you, eating toilet, giving them poison, burning for fire giving, and now these enemies' houses you are staying and eating their foods. You are taking care of your body also now. You are blind. Too much abusing. What result coming for you? 100 sons in your front of die. You are giving fire for everybody. Doing Sadhan Tilanjali. You eating all our meat? Oh, too much. Then Vidura. Before also, he is sadhu. He is strong speaking. Never is cheating people. Now, Dhritarashtra is all washing and taking. Gandhari Dhritarashtra blind. Kunti I am also going and helping her. Not really I am staying within my sons. I am now Prince Mother. No, she is also left and gone. Bodhikashram. They are what eating? What sleeping? Cold, winter. Water, good water, hot water. Now, how much hot water? Geyser, temperature geyser, temperature AC, cooler. How much saving this body and serving this body? This much serving God? Think about God? Then how long this one is saving and maintaining? Now Dhritarashtra is forest and jungle. Nothing food, only dry leaves is chewing. River water little drinking. No bed and room. No soft, hard rock on top of rock. No mat and quilt, not cloth. Sweater, jersey, coat and many things. There now forest fire is come. Summer season and fire coming. Burning and making ashes. 3 persons were gone. So this sinful activity, result is coming for our near. Today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, impossible I am fighting. Paap baap ko bhi nahi chhodta. I am father, then sin is left me. I am grandfather, I am old. My old sins, my offense, my bad activity, all coming boils with his rot and coming pus and blood with his worms, germs, everybody is coming and taking everything. So they are here, then they seriously doing bhajan. This is called Shasana. This is called Vaidhi Bhakti. But this Vaidhi Bhakti has no prem, no love. Suffering too much, then little bit is following. After, like one person very sick, diarrhea, fever, body pain, too much suffering, and they take medicine, little better, the next day eating rabdi. No, then you eat khichdi, diarrhea, but next day, bas. Going, Bhatavasi Mithai Wala, Sursop, Chakar, Rabdi and Malpua eating. Golgappa eating. Tikya, Pakodi, Chutney eating. But Fear is continue, but no, fear is going. But sadhu sangha, there is continue, there is showing, not good for you, not good doing like this. Then he is getting liberation, but not Prema Bhakti not coming. God within no love, then next doing for wrong. All time love with the body and mind, not for soul, not for pure soul. That every time God mercy, this Shastra Vaidhi Bhakti followers near, God sending sadhu. Then sadhu telling this Vaidhi Bhakti is not for you, enough for you. You are by love serving God now. Little bit, Patram Puspam, Phalam Tuyam, Yome Bhakta Prajatati, Tadaham Aparitam Asnami Pratatmanaha. Okay, by love, on flower, on fruits, water, your leaves, anything is happening. Before he is following, chanting, doing austerity, parikrama, fasting, tapasya, ekadashi, all Tulsi Seva, Archan, yes, they are Vaidhi Bhakti following, but not by love is serving. No dadati pratiginnati guriyama kate pichati, bhumte bhoyate jeva salagida priti lakhanam. No love symptom, nothing. Then sadhus are training, do by love. They what are giving for God? They are advertising Santarasa Bhakta, not serving. They are thinking only Santakaram, Bhudevasayanam, Padmanabham, Suresham, Visyadharam, Bhagana Sadisham, Meghambaram, Sundaram. And they are only thinking about sitting and thinking, doing dhyan, Vaidhi Bhakti. But Vaidhi Bhakti has problem. They are going up very high way. Jannar Vindakha Vimukta Manino. So Yasta Bhavad Abhishuddha Buddha. Arya Krishna Parampadam Tato Panadrita Dushmat Amra. They are going liberation post like. But after they fall down. Why? Premi Bhakta, Raganga Bhakta, Ragmai Bhaktas, they can care. They not respect. They hate, neglect. I am doing austerity, Ekadasi Nirjala. I am doing everything, Govardhan Parikrama, every Jurashikot Parikrama. I am fasting, I am doing everything. You are nonsense, nothing doing, only sleeping, eating. Then hating Bhakta devotees. Then what is result is food is coming. Hold on. But Raganuga Bhakta, Jasudha Mata, serving Krishna. Durga Sarisi came. Hey, Jasudha, your house I never drinking water, not eating any food stuff, nothing. You are before is pure, now you are contaminated. Your son is passing urine, you stool, and you are taking lab, so contaminate now, giving you breast milk, is all remnants your body, and you are not clean, your son is not clean, muddy, clay, dirty, Krishna hearing everything. Srimad, now he is rolling, muddy, all smelling body. He is looking to sitting, he is going, and handful, he is eating laddu, and something butter, makan. He taking him clay and mud and pushing in his mouth inside. He doing that and he pushing inside mouth. Why you are inserting my mouth? Durga is touching and Durga is crying and looking. What doing is? The Vaidhi Bhakta is ego and proud coming. But Raganuga Bhakta, all time humility. Humility, humble. All time thing is short is, I have nothing done. Not possible for me. I have no love for God. Anything happened, this is God mercy, Guru God, Bhakta's devotee's mercy. I have nothing. Nanda Baba, near everybody telling Krishna is God. Nanda Baba said no God. In my son. Janga say, your brain is not working. How is son? Where is God? They cannot believe this. but they are very humble, very sweet. These two things has big difference. Vaidhi-marga followers, until they have the mukti, possible. Seriously following and getting the mukti, one mukti. Yeah, Sushti Namaniti. But after what happened? After nothing. After finish. Vaikuntha Bhakti possible, but without Bina Prem se nahi mil Nandalala. This Anuragmay Bhakti not coming. Then Krishna carefully, this Vaidhi Bhaktas near, sending this Premi Bhakta. Then Premi Bhakta teaching, they accepting something, they talking, they teaching and talking and all removing, and they changing, like Devananda Pandit. His Vaidhi Bhakti, everything lives following, but he is disobeying. Not only one Srivas Pandit, other Premi Bhaktas also is disobeying. But when this Bhakti Pandit came, and he is completely changing. Then he is meeting with the Mahaprabhu, Srivas Pandit, then he is expecting. His humility comes. So Vaidhi Bhakti too hard. But first time not practicing, not following, then also they are not understanding Premi Bhaktas. But Premi Bhaktas causes much, they are anywhere going, anyway, any Bhaktas, any persons near, they teaching everything. And they automatically their nature changing. No need austerity, no need strong austerity. Automatically their Brahma Murta, Jasnamata waking, 3 o'clock, 3:30, 2:30, 3 o'clock, all gopis are waking. They are churning, yogurt, making butter, many laddu, sweets, rabdi, crunchy, pakode, many things. They are not sleeping, no need calling. Namas Vaikum Pradimandal, early morning, all are waking. Early sleeping, early waking. No midnight is like this, only talking and playing game and this and that. When natural love coming, then power coming. All Shakti coming. Nature changing. But this only service tendency. Understanding I am own fault and guilty. I am praying and begging. And little bit want to do. Automatic this power coming. Very easily coming. Vaidhi Bhakti has no like this potency. No like nectar. But Ragmarga has very easy a nectar. Everything will be lost to Karya. Followers. I am looking Mathura temple, Bhakti Udeswati Maharaj coming. Before I know only our Maharaj, our Guru Varga, 2:30, 3 o'clock waking, they change. But I am looking Bhakti Udeswati Maharaj Baba. In night time, Mangalarati, evening Gaurarati finish, he taking something, prasad, and he is sleeping. 10 o'clock waking, 11 o'clock. Krishna going Rashtriya now. Jasnamata in sleep for bed, 9 o'clock, 8:30 is sleeping, is all sleeping, Krishna is going. So he is waking 10 o'clock until 10 to until Mangalarati, he is chanting and praying. Not one day, every day. And how possible this? After Mangalarati, he is bathing, little Anchaman, Annik, after he is going class, Harikatha, finish, bas 9 o'clock Krishna going Gocharan, then he is sleeping. After 3 o'clock, he waking and then starting again. So their nature, when body is all activity, like Ashtakara Lila, Ashtanam Sadham. Little resting, that time also they praying and they or serving. Meaning is, they are sleeping, wherever he, oh, Krishna is Gocharan, they are within Krishna. How they are praying? It is activity coming how? The only Ragmui person. व्यतीत भावनावत्म जब चमत्कार भारव हृदय सत्व जले बाणम सदते सरसमते व्यतीत भावनावत्म you cannot realize understanding, you are not possible thinking what is coming now. On Ragmui Bhakta's heart is what coming, what is giving Srimati Radharani inspiration, Rupamanjari inspiration. What is necessary, everything automatic, everything arranged. Ragmarga Bhakta has not hard work. Like what example I am giving on time, Gurudev with his aura. No, never tension, never headache, no tension. How will be this program? How will be this one? 10,000 people, 20,000 people, 5,000 people every day. Why? Onrag Bhai Bhakta, Ravi Bhakta, bas. Yeah, by force and nectar, everybody spreading, all are covered. All are very active. Without hesitation, without any condition, they are doing everything. Onrag has discovered. How much I am explaining. Without his Onragi Bhakta, Premi Bhakta, Vaidhi Bhakta's maintenance is very hard. Oh, many days to thinking, arranging, after not possible everything is as it is. Really. Also hard, after tired, after hopeless. Oh, not possible for me. Now Kartik Bharta Parikrama finished, now I am resting. Government Parikrama finished, now I am resting. I am not hiding now. But Bhaktas are, Premi Bhakta, one day left in Krishna Seva. They are going distance to Krishna, a Guru. Impossible. Why? There is nectar. So these things have big difference. Vaidhi Bhakti, Ranga Bhakti. But Vidhi Bhakta ज्ञान विधि मार्ग रत्जने स्वाधीनता रत्नदाने राग मार्गी करण प्रवेश राग वशवर्ती हुए स्वरूपीय भावाश्रय लभेबी जीव कृष्ण प्रवेश Bhakti never writing this Vidhi Bhakta ज्ञान is Krishna ultimately sending them but they are little accepting, respecting, then all types of that understanding conception Vaidhi Bhakti is Premi Bhakta said this is not enough, not everything. I am telling this is followed. Then they are telling Shastras, yeah, by love of serving Brajavasi Krishna. Dwarkavasi is serving, Krishna not happy. Mathura is serving, Krishna not happy. But Brajavasi is serving and Krishna very happy. That this much serving, and wife continue, they have love for Krishna. These things how coming? Vaidhi Bhakti is coming, Vaidhi Bhakti off. And by force trying, and sometime after, not possible, everything is continue. Therefore, this discussion is necessary. Otherwise, our Guru Gurga's speciality in understanding. How is our Guru Gurga? Then going other Bhut Pratmya. Oh, now no more Gurudev, then I am going any other one famous. One Chamatkar, not Namaskar. But Premi Bhakta not showing any Chamatkar Namaskar. Wonder, founder, Mahabhagat, this and that. But Guru Varga is eternal, spiritual master, they are Ragango Brajavasi. How much they have? You are left in Guru Varga going here and there running, then you will be dry. Nothing. Without aprakita, rasa, then all hill station will be dry. Nothing there. Therefore, try to understand our Guru Varga's specialities, roles. Then continue following, remembering, praying and crying and begging. They are help for, they are ready. They are everything they do. Anybody not remembering, they are running, sometime after, all dry and destroyed. Anyhow, our Guru Varga is our all in all. Sadhu, Shastra, then Guru Gayatri. This is our everything. Now tomorrow, next year is Gaur Pramanande.